Cryo-Save is Europe's leading family stem cell bank. In its laboratories all over the world, they store more than 200,000 stem cell samples from more than 40 countries. The highest quality in the laboratory practice and the secure storage of stem cells is the most important objective for the company. Cryo-Save is committed to be transparent and to provide proper, extensive information to queries of its clients. For this reason, Cryo-Save has approached their clients to establish the board of parents, for the parents to have a better insight to the operations of the company that preserves their children's stem cells.
Wij vinden de stamcelopslag erg belangrijk, omdat momenteel kunnen zo'n 70 à 80 ziektes kunnen worden behandeld met stamcellen.
Kirsten and Arno are the Dutch delegates to the board of parents. Together with parents from 7 other countries, they accepted Cryo-Save's invitation to visit the stem cell bank in Belgium, where among the others their child's stem cells are stored. Kirsten is a research technician in the human genetics department. Arno is an educational specialist. For them, it was not a question whether to store the stem cells for their child, Amber.
Ja, je wilt natuurlijk het beste voor je eigen kind. En als je een privéopslag doet, dan weet je ook zeker dat zeg maar, de stamcellen die opgeslagen worden voor je eigen kind gebruikt kunnen worden. Nou, dat is een 100% match, dus daarbij ook de garantie dat dat perfect aansluit. En dat vonden wij wel een hele belangrijke voorwaarde.
They have trusted Cryo-Save to store their child's stem cells because the International Stem Cell Bank has great experience in stem cell preservation, and their leading position, expansive, innovative attitude could be the basis for an economically stable operation.
You cannot treat an adult with the stem cells you have.
The parents had the chance to ask their questions from the management of Cryo-Save. Arno had very reasonable questions about the company's future plan, because a parent would like to know whether the stem cells of their children are in good hands. He's been given honest and adequate answers by Arno van Tolder, CEO.
Our geographic expansion, for example, geographic coverage is an important one. That we're not dependent on one country, but that we have the business. We have 40 countries. If this company wants to be there 10, 20, 30, 40 years from now, we need to make a profit. We don't have any loans, actually, so we are a safe, financially safe company, which is visible in our annual report and our press releases.
After the discussion with the representatives of the company, the most exciting part came. At the visit in the laboratory, the head of the laboratory, Sally Sennett, tried to show everything to the parents, while the parents spent their time visiting the lab. The organizers took care of their children. The samples arriving to the lab are going to undergo thorough testing and careful processing before they reach the storing tanks. The stem cells are securely preserved in this concrete bunker, cryo-preserved in 2 separate portions, apart from each other with the purpose of even more security. Only 5 people are allowed into the storage unit. Every opening and closing of the tanks is registered. The building has been designed to best serve the safe and long-term preservation of the stem cells.
Ik vond het er heel goed uitzien en het was allemaal heel professioneel. En doen heel veel aan kwaliteitscontroles van de samples. En ja, het kwam heel goed op mij over en ik heb nu, zeker dat ik het heb gezien, wel een heel goed en vertrouwd gevoel over de werkwijze van Cryo-Save.
After the visit at lunch, they had the chance to have conversations with each other as well as with the management. The lab tour was great, a great experience for Sally Sennett as well.
It was a wonderful audience, they were highly appreciative, knowledgeable, interested.
The director of the lab usually guides scientists, doctors, or journalists around the most modern and biggest stem cell bank in Europe. They usually have more scientific questions, but the parents, due to their personal interest, have more practical questions.
They want to know what has happened to their stem cells. They want to know that they're safe, they want to know that they've been well processed and they're still going to be available for them if they ever need them. So they're a discerning audience, I would say. They know what they want and they want to hear it from us, what we do.
The CEO of the company was also very satisfied with the first meeting of the board of parents. Therefore, it is not a surprise that the leading family stem cell bank wants to continue with this successful program.
We will organize the second Board of Parents later this year, and we will continue with doing this twice a year because it's an exciting event, and also to have these children here whose stem cells are stored here in this facility is an exciting event for Cryo-Save.
As you could hear it from the management, they are ready to organize the next Board of Parents program. If you would like to join that fantastic opportunity, do not hesitate and apply now on Cryo-Save's website, www.cryosave.com. In conclusion, the Board of Parents have achieved its goal. The parents could see the company operates on a stable and prosperous basis, contributes to scientific achievements, and applies the highest, most modern technology. And from this year, thanks to the Board of Parents, more and more parents will be able to see this with their own eyes.